Hi. I didn't see you there. Oh, this? Oh yeah, this is my friend. Her name's Bernadette, the Bendy Buddy. You haven't met yet? No? Bernadette, say hi. Hi! So, yeah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Bendy Buddy like Bernadette over here. If you want to make one, I sent tons of supplies in your summer box, and just keep watching and I will show you the steps. Hopefully it makes sense. If not, it's my fault, not your fault, and I'm sorry. Okay, supplies. In the summer box there is a baggie with an assortment of pony beads and cut-up straws and all the materials you need. Also, there is a bunch of pipe cleaners. So the first thing you're going to get to make one of these Bendy Buddies is 3 pipe cleaners. Pick whatever colors you like and feel like they look cool together. So I'm going to use 2 orange and a yellow. Next thing you need is 8 of the cut-up straw bits. There should be a bunch in your bag. Pick, again, whatever colors you're feeling. Then you need 5 pony beads. And last but not least, you need a head. You already have a head, but your Bendy Buddy doesn't. So, everyone got one of these beads with a face already on it. You can use that. I'm going to use that for the one that I'm making in this video. But, oh, come back here. Don't lose your head. Oh, or lose it. It's fine. You also got an assortment of beads. And in your bag, there's a permanent marker. So if you want, you can draw a face on any of the other beads that you have and use that as your head. All right, once you have all those things, we are ready to start. Okay, so the way that this works with your pipe cleaners, pretty much 2 of the pipe cleaners are going to be the arms and legs, and then one of the pipe cleaners will be the hair. So I decided to make the hair a different color. You don't have to do that, doesn't really matter, but if you want to plan ahead, the one that's going to be your hair color you will use last. So first you're going to take these and you're going to make an X. All right, and then you're going to just fold one over and make it like a V, and you just want a V up top and a V down below. This is not even, but I don't actually care. So, and then to make sure it stays, I'm gonna twist. Okay? And just twist so that it pretty much stays. Once we get beads on, it won't be a problem. It'll stay put. So you should have something that looks like this, okay? Now the next thing that we're gonna do. Here's the one that's gonna be the hair. I'm gonna put that right where the bottom of this X is, and I'm gonna bend that guy up. Oop, wait, I'm gonna mess with it first. So bend that guy up, flatten him. So now he's like that, right? So here's my arms, there's my hair, sorry. Here's my arms, here's my legs, this will be my hair. To make this stay put, I'm just gonna twist these together. So do a little twist and then get them in the center and we're good. All right, gonna try to show you how you twist your pipe cleaners in another view, just in case that was really confusing. So take them, make an X, yeah, and then fold one over, okay, and bend the other ones up. It feels kind of loose because I didn't loop it, so what you can do is you just twist them, okay, till they feel like they're kind of going to stay together. It's okay if they're kind of loose. So imagine these are the arms, these are the legs, then you want to go straight up to the center from the bottom, fold it up in half, and then you're going to twist these 2 yellow pieces together now. So I'm going to twist. You twist it twice, and then there you go. Our next step is we need 3 of our pony beads. So here are my pony beads. These 3 are going to go right here as sort of the body. Now you're going to slide this on both of the leg pipe cleaners. So put them together, slide it on, make sure you get both of those in. Okay, see? Slide it all the way up. It'll stop right where the arms are. Ooh, then I'm going to do light blue. No, I'm not. I'm going to do purple because I want to, and that's my business. There we go. And then a blue. So you want 3 pony beads and slide them up both of the legs. Great. So there's your little body. And now we're going to do the legs. So now I need some of my straw bits. So I'm going to do peach. And I want both legs to be the same pattern, but you can do whatever you want. You need a straw, a pony bead, and then another straw. So I'm going to put this teal bead after the first straw, and then the second straw on each leg. Okay? Here's the hard part. You gotta make a foot. So we're gonna bend this into a foot. We're gonna make a circle. All right, so I make a loop like so. Let me see if I can show you. So there, I made a loop. And then I'm just gonna twist the bottom, this bottom part around it to keep the shape. So, see that? So we made a little loop and then secured it. If that's frustrating to you, definitely grab an adult that's hanging around and see if they can help you out with making that part. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side. Hi, it's me and my face again. I'm cutting in to show you another angle of how I made that foot. So, bend it, loop it, and then the part that goes beyond the loop, you just twist it around. It's hard to show you. Twist. Twist, twist, twist. And then fold it again. All right, it's come together. Okay, for the arms, you need 4 straw bits, the last straw pieces that are left. I'm gonna follow the same color pattern as on my legs because I want to, but again, you could be totally random with your color choices. This is just how I like to do it. The fun thing about these Bendy Buddies is everyone's turns out really differently, and I think that's fun. All right. Now we gotta do another tough thing, which is making the hands. I think it's a little trickier than the feet. So, all right, again, you're gonna make a loop, but you're gonna make a small loop out of all this pipe cleaner. So it'll look like that. And now I'm gonna bend it forward and loop it around. So now I have this extra part to make a thumb. So I'm gonna make another loop. There it is. I like to go through the first loop. So I go through and then I bend the end just to make it stay put. Bend it around the wrist part. And then, not my best hand, but that's okay. Be careful, the end of the pipe cleaner can poke you because it's wire. Hi. All right, next hand. Okay, so for the head, just like with the legs, you need both of these parts of the pipe cleaner together, and the bead needs to go over both of them. If you're doing a head like this with the face already on it, make sure you put it on right side up. But, you know, or if you want to be funny, you could do it upside down. How's he look, guys? Just kidding. But like, you can do it. That I'm not kidding about. So just slide the head back down. All right, and now this becomes the hair. You can do anything you want with the hair. I think I'm gonna curl the rest of these pieces because I like how that looks. And there's my Bendy Buddy. Oh. Yes, her head is floppy. What happened? No, why are you so floppy? Oh no. As you could see, my Bendy Buddy's head was very unstable. It was flopping all over. So part of that is because I used this big wooden bead. If you use a smaller one, it won't be unsteady. Another thing to do is you can take, I just took the head off and I looked at this part of the pipe cleaner, right? I can untwist it. I decided to retwist it to make it stronger. So I twisted it and then I looped part of it down around the orange of the arm, see? And I'm even gonna take the other side and do that over there as well. So it's twisted around. Head. Aha. Much happier. If you're having trouble with the head, that is something you can do. And I'm gonna put the hair stuff back on because I was really into the hair. But I should show you something else you can do. All right, before I put the beads on, let's see. I could come in here, I could loop this around. Just twist it as much as you want. Now I've got 4 strands of hair I'm working with. You guys got a lot of pipe cleaners. You could add probably like 20 strands of hair. It could look wild. Whatever you want the hair to look like, make it look like that. Some of my curly strands, get those on there. Oh, they're twisting because they're curly. Panic. No, don't get stressed. It's all good. There, it's perfect. I'm gonna curl some of this hair. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist.
Come on, baby. Twist it just like this.
And there's my Bendy Buddy. Take your time, be patient. I know there's some parts that are tricky, but they're pretty fun. I really like how bendy they are. They're a good little reminder to stay flexible. Just stretch it out. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, one of my favorite things to do with them is they can sit. I put the hands behind. Boom! Look at her. Look at her living her best life. There she is, hanging out. Hanging out in Sharon's room, because that's where I am. Because it's cleaner than my room. Miss you guys so much. I hope you have fun making these if you get bored enough to try. And yeah, please have parents send pictures. They can email literally anyone at Neary and they will find their way to me. And I really miss you guys and hope to see you on a Zoom soon.